Interesting weather times ahead for us. Over the weekend here, we're going to largely end up with a very nice day for tomorrow. Mostly sunny skies out there. We start off with clear skies tonight, and then as we head into tomorrow, temperature's going to moderate nicely under a lot of sunshine. A weak weather disturbance goes well to our north, so that's not going to be a big factor, and overall, temperature's going to top out in the 80s. So overnight tonight, mainly clear, 41 for our low, and then tomorrow's high at 80 degrees with sun and maybe a couple of high clouds, but still pretty nice out there, no question. And as we look at what's happening here for temperatures right now, significantly cooler than what we're used to. 64 in Roswell, 66 Carlsbad, 64 Hobbs, 62 out in Clovis. Looking at the satellite and radar, you are seeing some of those clouds kind of spill into the state here. Not a real big deal at this point. They're not going to amount to much. We are going to see a little stronger system come in for Sunday. That really is only going to dip temperatures just a little bit. It's not going to have a huge impact on our weather overall. So here's a look at how that's going to shake out for us. For tomorrow, we're going to stay pretty mild out there temperature-wise, but then the front comes through on Sunday, dips us back down into the 60s, and we sort of stayed there for Monday. Then as we get into Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, that's our better shot at a significant storm system as well here. So here's a look at the weekend outlook and what we anticipate. It's that weather system going to the north that'll bring a few clouds up to northern New Mexico, but not a huge factor here. So we stay good through Saturday. And then this is the system that's going to help to dip our temperatures a bit as it comes across the state. It's going to drag with it a cold front, and that's really the impactor on our weather. We're not going to see much in the way of precip across New Mexico. A few showers possible well to the north, but they won't be a big deal here. So those temps go down for Sunday and into Monday before we drag that next storm system in here. Now this next storm, well, it could go one of two ways for us. One is rolling right through central New Mexico here with a lot in the way of widespread rainfall, much colder temperatures, additional snowfall, and a lot of mountain snows as well. It could also end up crashing out down to the south here, and that could be an issue because if it does go way far south on us, it could hurt our chances at getting significant statewide rain and snow. But it will, if it takes the southerly track, favor southwestern portions of the state and maybe into our area as well. So we'll see what happens here. But a track right dead through New Mexico probably helps everybody throughout the state, including us, to do okay for picking up rain and snows out of this deal. So we're going to continue to track it and continue to watch it for you, but there's a pretty good chance of at least a pretty significant storm heading in our direction. Some good news there. Look wide out into the Pacific. There's a lot of moisture throughout the Pacific Northwest and heading into Idaho and Montana at this hour. We're not seeing as much action down here, but slowly we are going to transition into a much more active weather pattern. 57 right now, Seattle 62, Boise 54, Rapid City, and as you head to the East Coast, anywhere from 28 right now in Caribou all the way up to 82 degrees in Miami, 66 in New Orleans. Across southeastern New Mexico over the next 24 hours, we are looking at temperatures in the 40s overnight, topping out in the 80s for tomorrow, including 82 in Hobbs, 81 Lovington, 60 in Cloudcroft, and 64 in Ruidoso. Here's a look at that 7-day forecast. Mild over the weekend here. You can see we cool down a bit, though, as we head into Sunday and Monday, but still, overall, it's going to be a pretty good setup for us. And then, yes, the chance for showers will return to the forecast Wednesday and Thursday, and you can see how cool those temperatures are, too. Cold air will definitely be accompanying this next system.